Newsletter of the Ministry of Health on the situation of fighting against the COVID-19 epidemic in Vietnam on February 9, 2022. 1843, the 9th of February 2022. The COVID-19 epidemic bulletin on the evening of February 9, 2022 of the Ministry of Health said that there were 23,956 new infections. Hanoi, 2,949. Gayan, 1,900. In the fourth outbreak, from April 27, 2021 to present, the number of new infections recorded in the country is 2,397,530 cases, of which 2,193,785 patients have been declared cured. February 9, 2022. Situation of COVID-19 evidence. 1. Information on new infections. From 4 p.m. on February 8 to 4 p.m. on February 9, on the National COVID-19 Case Management System, 23,956 new infections were recorded, of which 3 were imported and 23,953 were recorded domestically, an increase of 2,052 cases. Cases compared to the previous day, in 62 provinces and cities, there were 16,608 cases in the community. Provinces and cities with confirmed cases are as follows: Hanoi, 2,949, Ngayan, 1,900, Haiphong, 1,295, Bac Ninh, 1,246, Haiduong, 1,120, Ha Tinh, 1,019, Then Hoa, 988, Nam Dinh, 938, Da Nang, 925, Vinh Phuc, 853, Binh Dinh, 809, Phu Tho, 800, Tai Nguyen, 527, Ninh Binh, 500, Bac Giang, 499, Tai Binh, 450, Quang Binh, 423, Lao Cai, 419, Quang Nam, 417, Lam Dong, 357, Quang Tri, 333, Binh Phu Quoc, 312, Sun La, 291, Quang Ninh, 283, Thua Thien Hu, 275, Hung Yen, 259, Tu Yen Quang, 259, Dak Lak, 234, Con Hoa, 232, Ha Nam, 219, City. Ho Chi Minh City, 219, Gia Lai, 215, Quang Ngai, 200, Phu Yen, 198, Dak Nong, 187, Sia Mao, 187, Kon Tum, 169, Yen Bai, 154, Cao Bang, 131, Ba Ria Vung Tao, 124, Lang Sun, 115, Ha Jiang, 115, Lai Chao, 91, Bin Thuan, 91, Vin Long, 88, Bac Liu, 82, Dien Bien, 77, Ben Tre, 72. Localities that recorded the largest decrease in infections compared to the previous day: Hoa Binh, minus 926, Hai Duong, minus 125, Tai Nguyen, minus 122. The localities that recorded the highest number of infections compared to the previous day: Ha Tin, plus 720, Haiphong, plus 465, Bac Ninh, plus 349. Average number of new infections in the country recorded in the past 7 days: 15,584 cases a day. Up to now, Vietnam has recorded 192 cases of COVID-19 due to Omicron variant in Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City 92, Quang Nam 27, Quang Ninh 20, Hanoi 14, Con Hoa 11, Da Nang 8, Hung Yen 6, Kien Giang 4, Then Hoa 2, Hai Duong 2, Haiphong 1, Long An 1, Ba Ria Vung Tao 1, Binh Duong 1, Lam Dong 1, Ninh Binh 1. 2. The situation of COVID-19 epidemic in Vietnam. Since the beginning of the epidemic, Vietnam has had 2,404,651 infections, ranking 34 out of 225 countries and territories, while with the ratio of infections per million population, Vietnam ranks 145 per 225 countries and territories, with an average of 24,353 cases for every 1 million people. The fourth epidemic, from April 27, 2021 to present. Plus the number of new infections recorded in the country is 2,397,530 cases, of which 2,193,785 patients have been declared cured. Plus localities with a high cumulative number of infections during this outbreak, TP. Ho Chi Minh City, 514,868, Binh Duong, 293,032, Hanoi, 156,848, Dong Nai, 99,984, Tay Ninh, 88,637. 2. Treatment situation. Data is reported daily by the Departments of Health of the provinces and cities on the COVID-19 management system of the Department of Medical Examination and Treatment, Ministry of Health CDC. KCB. VN. 1. Number of recovered patients. The patient was announced to be cured within the day, 69,825 cases. Total number of cured cases, 2,196,602 cases. 2. The number of seriously ill patients being treated is 2,771, of which breathing oxygen through a mask, 1,977 cases. HFNC high-flow oxygen, 369 cases. Non-invasive mechanical ventilation, 72 cases. Invasive mechanical ventilation, 335 cases. ECMO, 18 ca. 3. Number of patients who died. From 1730 on February 8 to 1730 on February 9, 1993 deaths were recorded at. Plus in the city. Ho Chi Minh City, 3, in which 3 cases were transferred from other provinces, Long An 2, Binh Phu Quoc 1. Plus in other provinces and cities, Hanoi, 17, Can Tho 6, Hai Phong 5, Ben Tre 4, Hien Giang 4, Quang Nam 4, Vinh Long 4, Ba Ria Vung Tau 3, Da Nang 3, Dong Dap 3, Nam Din 3, Binh Phu Quoc 2, Binh Thuan 2, Dong Nai 2, Gia Lai 2, Hai Duong 2, Hoa Binh 2, Lam Dong 2, Quang Binh 2, Tuyen Quang 2, Bac Giang 1, Bac Kana 1, Bac Liu 1, Bac Ninh 1, Ha Giang 1, Hao Giang 1, Lang Sun 1, Long An 1, Ngayan 1, Phu Tho 1, Quang Ninh 1, Quang Tri 1, Tay Ninh 1, Than Hoa 1, Tien Giang 1, Vinh Phuc 1. Average number of deaths recorded in the past 7 days, 94 cases. The total number of deaths from COVID-19 in Vietnam so far is 38,614 cases, accounting for 1.6% of the total number of infections. The total number of deaths ranked 24, 225 territories. The number of deaths per 1 million people ranked 129, 225 countries and territories in the world. Compared with Asia, the total number of deaths ranked 649th, third in ASEAN, deaths per 1 million people ranked 24th, 49 Asian countries and territories, ranked 4th in ASEAN. 3. Testing situation. The number of tests from April 27, 2021 to now has tested 32,432,049 samples, equivalent to 77,450,281 turns of people, an increase of 42,079 samples compared to the previous day. 4. Importation situation. On February 8, there were 528,200 doses of COVID-19 vaccine injected. Thus, the total number of vaccine doses administered was 183,729,446 doses, of which the first dose was 79,154,392 doses. The second dose was 74,430,220 doses. And the third dose, additional, reinforced injection and third dose, basal dose, is 30,144,834 doses. Ministry of Health. Worth watching. 44 people rated this post worth seeing. Recently, steps to handle when a student has COVID-19 in school. 1839, the 9th of February 2022. How to care for and treat children with COVID-19. 1838, the 9th of February 2022. Afternoon 9 halves. Urgently buy and vaccinate against COVID-19 for children aged 5 to 11. Huang Bin F0 increased after TET. 1836, the 9th of February 2022. The latest level of the country's COVID-19 epidemic. 48 provinces and cities have green zones. 1835, the 9th of February 2022. Newsletter of the Ministry of Health on the situation of fighting against COVID-19 in Vietnam on February 8, 2022. 1809, the 8th of February 2022. Injecting 1.5 million doses of vaccine against COVID-19 during TET. The Ministry of Health urgently requests to speed up the spring vaccination campaign. 1735, the 8th of February 2022. 7 pulmonary rehabilitation exercises for people with mild and moderate COVID-19. 1733, the 8th of February 2022. More virulent HIV variant, more likely to progress to AIDS. 1727, the 8th of February 2022. Afternoon 8 halves. Which 11 provinces get the second dose of COVID-19 vaccine under 90%? Temporarily suspending the business of temporarily importing and re-exporting medical masks from March 15. 1725, the 8th of February 2022. Newsletter of the Ministry of Health on the situation of fighting against COVID-19 in Vietnam on February 7, 2022. 1808, the 7th of February 2022. Minister of Health. COVID-19 prevention is the industry's top priority in 2022. 1805, the 7th of February 2022. Ministry of Health. Completed Abdullah vaccination in February 2022, not to have to cancel due to expiration. 1804, the 7th of February 2022. Minister Nguyen Than Long. The traditionalist of the medical profession is significant in educating generations of doctors to love the profession. 1802, the 7th of February 2022. February 7th afternoon. The whole country injected nearly 182.5 million doses of vaccine against COVID-19. F0 with underlying disease can be self-treated at home. 1756, the 7th of February 2022. Newsletter of the Ministry of Health on the situation of fighting against COVID-19 in Vietnam on February 6, 2022. 1917, the 6th of February 2022. Afternoon 6 halves. Injecting nearly 29 million doses of the third dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Nguyen, Quang Binh add more F0 communities. 1909, the 6th of February 2022. Notes to students when returning to school after TET. 1905, the 6th of February 2022. A doctor in the midst of waves and storms. 19 o'clock, the 6th of February 2022. Details of the level of COVID-19 epidemic of provinces and cities until the 6th of TET. 1857, the 6th of February 2022. Newsletter of the Ministry of Health on the situation of fighting against COVID-19 in Vietnam on February 5, 2022. 1814, the 5th of February 2022. See more. Scan to view on Zalo.